Hello students, my name is Ankita Sethi. In our previous video, we've talked about how to deal with SAT reading section that within the time and accurately. Today, we're going to talk about how to deal with SAT writing section because here too, there are 44 questions in 35 minutes. So speed matters over here as well. So let's get started. As you all can see on my screen, the few tips that I would want to share with you. The number one is focus on using grammar rules. So you have to go back to your school times and think of all those grammar rules that you have done. You have to brush them up, be it your sentence structure, your parts of speech, all that you have to revise and then make sure that whenever you're picking up an answer, you know the reason behind it. Second is knowing your punctuation marks. So the major punctuation marks are comma, colon, semicolon, and dash. Try to follow the process of elimination by bringing down your answer choices to true. You can read back into the original sentence and think of the final one. If there are two grammatically correct answers, pick up the one that is shortest because generally that's the most preferred one. Use of being in passive voice is generally not very highly recommended on SAT writing section. And the last one and not the least one is that don't be afraid to pick up the answer that is no error. The first answer choice will always be a no change or a no error answer. Don't be afraid that it cannot be your answer. It can be your answer too, but not every time. I want to wish you all the good luck. Keep signing in to have more updates and more such tips for you. Thank you so much.